Good morning, Shalom. This is Pastor Jet again. So, how are you? So, I would just like to take this opportunity to encourage you today with this song. Let me sing to you this song entitled The Alabaster Jar. The alabaster jar is all I have of worth. Break it at your feet, Lord. It's less than you deserve. You're far more beautiful and precious than the oil. The sum of my desire is in the fullness of my joy. Like you spilled your blood, I spilled my heart as an offering to my King. Here I am, take me as an offering. Here I am, giving every heartbeat for your glory. Take me. This time that I have left is all I have worth. I lay it at your feet, Lord. It's less than you deserve. And though I've little strength, and though my days are few, you gave your life for me, so I will live my life for you. Like you spilled your blood, I spilled my heart as an offering to my King. Here I am, take me as an offering. Here I am, giving every heartbeat for your glory. Take me. So my encouragement to you is this, that whatever circumstances that you are in your life situation now, or you're going through storms, I really encourage you to come to a point of surrender. We are, as the sons and daughters of God, we need to understand this, that if we don't surrender our lives to God, nothing will happen to us. And we have to learn this. It's important for us to know this, because life is tough. There's so many battles going on in our lives, but come to a point of surrender, just like what David did. The key to breakthrough is actually surrender everything to God. That's the thing that we can see the manifestation of the miracles of God, the interventions of God in our lives. Just come to a point of surrender. Shalom, and God bless everyone. I hope this encouraged you. Surrender. Amen.